Definitely. Now, many people may not think of attracting pollinators with herbs. What are some herbs that attract pollinators, and how can they be used around vegetables best or most efficiently?
Yeah, yeah. When you look at a list of plants that will attract pollinators to the garden, you'll see a lot of herbs really rise to the top of the list. And I think they're ones everybody knows. They're pretty common. Things like bee balm. I mean, you think about even the name tells us right there. A monarda is what those are, or hummingbird mint, which is agastaches. Rosemary. Everybody seems to know rosemary and lavender, even chives, parsley, fennel. I mean, you can see this just is really a long list. And so really kind of adding that diversity to a garden that will attract different pollinators as well. That's what herbs will do. They're attracting hummingbirds, which do a little bit of pollinating, and birds and bees and butterflies and all of those things. So the diversity of the range of herbs really do a good job. And then, of course, in your veggie garden, I actually, in a past garden I had, it's a different garden I have now, I actually had a little hedge of parsley along the edge of my vegetable bed, and I'll run like a hedge of chives. So you can really mingle some of these plants into vegetable gardens, so you can really encourage a lot of pollinator activity. And even just like a potted roseberry next to a raised bed or something like that, I think you could really start to explore different ways, because that roseberry or that lavender that you're going to harvest for, to flavor food or to make a skin healing treatment, you also are attracting pollinators. So you kind of see this multi-purpose use they're going to give the garden anyway.